Hello everyone, today I've got something really important to discuss, and it's not getting the attention it deserves. With all the hype around the Bitcoin ETF, it's easy to overlook a massive opportunity that's right in front of us. So today I'm going to spill the beans. We'll dive into the recent market activity and other relevant topics. Welcome to Vantage. I'll be sharing fresh content regularly, so please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Your engagement fuels our content creation. And remember, this isn't financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks. It is crucial to consult a seasoned financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Over the past few days, Bitcoin has experienced a slight downturn. You can see a small uptrend followed by a rising channel that has now been broken, giving away a mild downward trend. On the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin hasn't seen much action. It's been experiencing a minor pullback. The crucial support or resistance level for Bitcoin remains around $25,300, and we have currently quite close to it. As long as we can maintain this level, things should be stable. From a technical perspective, whether Bitcoin is at $25,000 or $25,900 or even $26,300, what matters most is staying above that red line. While we're above the red line, we'll need a catalyst to push us beyond the $26,500 mark resistance level. So on shorter time frames, things pretty much mirror recent days and weeks. Now, why did Bitcoin experience this minor pullback? Well, it's worth noting that traditional markets, including the futures market, also saw a decline. We even dipped below the orange box at one point. Currently, we find ourselves still within that range. So maintaining this level in traditional markets is also a positive sign. However, this leads us to a significant opportunity that's currently being overlooked by many. The opportunity presented by Ethereum. I believe Ethereum could be undervalued at this point. Or to put it differently, I see Ethereum as one of the potential top performers in the upcoming parabolic phase of the bull run. Why? Well, let's delve into the technical aspects. Firstly, I'd like to reference a chart I often use when discussing the weekly time frame. The Bitcoin Ethereum price chart shows us where Ethereum stands compared to Bitcoin, not in terms of US dollars, but relative to Bitcoin's performance. You'll notice a falling wedge pattern on the weekly chart, which typically breaks to the upside. If this breakout occurs, it could be sometime in the early 2024, possibly December 2023. It's still a bit down the road, but remember, we're looking at an early weekly time frame here. This is why it's crucial to zoom out and see the bigger picture, as I believe Ethereum could become one of the standout trends in the bull market. Speaking of the recent developments, there's quite a bit to talk about. First off, Bernstein analysts believe that Grayscale's victory in their SEC lawsuit is significant. Grayscale has already won its case against the SEC, and this victory could pave the way for the approval of a spot Ethereum ETF right after the Bitcoin ETF gets the green light. Everyone's eagerly awaiting the approval of the Bitcoin ETF, and once that's in place, the domino effect could lead to the approval of Ethereum's ETFs as well. And there's evidence to support this. The SEC is on track to approve Ethereum futures ETFs. A glance at the numerous futures ETF applications indicates a significant demand. Once these futures Ethereum ETFs get the nod, it's highly likely we'll see Ethereum spot ETFs follow suit. Remember, it starts with the futures ETF and eventually extends to the spot market. Now, it's essential to understand why a spot Bitcoin ETF hasn't been approved yet. It's mainly because the SEC hadn't given its approval. However, if you dig into the court documents, you'll find a thread on my Twitter for those interested. You'll see that Grayscale won the case against SEC due to the existence of a futures ETF for Bitcoin. Essentially, the same arguments that the SEC used against a spot ETF had already been applied to approve a futures ETF. This made the case against the spot ETF obsolete, so a spot ETF will likely be approved. And once that happens, it could open the door for Ethereum spot ETFs as well. This is why loading up on Ethereum might be a wise move. Another significant aspect of Ethereum is its yield. Currently at 4%, this is a game changer for institutions looking to introduce cryptocurrency to their clients. They can now pitch a 4% yield on their investment. Moreover, Ethereum is deflationary. Since the upgrade to the Ethereum 2.0, we've witnessed witnessed a reduction of 300,000 Ethereum tokens. In contrast, if Ethereum had continued its proof-of-work system, it would have seen an issuance of 3.7 million Ethereum tokens. Instead, Ethereum is now a deflationary state with 300,000 tokens fewer than before. As more people use Ethereum, more tokens get burned permanently, increasing its scarcity and consequently its price. Considering all these factors, including Ethereum's deflationary nature and 4% yield, there's enormous potential for Ethereum in the upcoming months and years. Lastly, I'd like to touch on the recent happenings with Binance. We've seen some significant developments in this regard. The head of product has reported an executive exodus, with many high-level executives leaving Binance. Additionally, there have been reports regarding the sealed court case involving the SEC. It's now beyond speculation, this is no ordinary unregistered securities case. The implications could be substantial, and it's not confined to the United States. This could be related to sanctions or something equally significant, which might have a profound impact. When this news breaks, we could witness a significant cryptocurrency market downturn, and we'll be among the first to buy the dip. As you can see, my trading bots have already initiated their buy the dip strategy. If the downward trend persists, I'll continue accumulating, knowing that these assets will likely yield substantial profits when their market dynamics shift. So that wraps up today's discussion. I genuinely appreciate your time and attention, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. It's crucial to recognize that while Bitcoin ETF dominates the headlines, Ethereum quietly emerges as a compelling opportunity. With its technical strengths, potential yield, and deflationary characteristics, Ethereum may hold the key to substantial gains in the crypto market. Keep a watchful eye on the ever-shifting dynamics of traditional and digital finance, especially in the light of Binance's evolving situation. As we journey through these dynamic times, remember that staying informed and making informed decisions are your greatest assets. Our exploration of this intriguing crypto landscape is far from over, and I'm excited to continue this journey with you. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to the exciting developments that lie ahead. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.